So today I'm going to show you my productivity desk setup that I worked on for the past few months. And if like me you also work from home, this video might just be the one you're looking for. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This desk setup that I'm about to show you is mainly focused on productivity, so it fits my daily needs. I'm going to go over each item, tell you where I got them from, and how much each thing costs. I will also provide links in the description for your convenience. Don't forget to like this video as it really helps me out. So starting with the desk itself, the very popular YouTuber IKEA desk. This desk is made out of two different items, one countertop and two drawers from IKEA. So the desk itself is a 98 by 25.5 inch Karlby countertop from IKEA, which costs around $300 plus shipping and taxes. This desk is 1.5 inches thick, so it's pretty thick. In person it looks amazing, and it also feels amazing to the touch. Now the drawers supporting the countertop and finishing this desk setup are the 27.5 inch high by 23 inches deep Alex drawers in black from IKEA. This cost around $125 each, so $250 altogether. Now this next one might have been an over-the-top purchase. This is the LG Ultrawide monitor 49-inch Neo G9. This is a 5120 by 1440p monitor that is able to produce 240 Hz, mainly for gaming. However, I'm also able to enjoy its benefits for productivity reasons. The current price for this monitor is $1,750 for the Neo version on Amazon, link in the description. You can also find this monitor for a cheaper price, which I have linked, as a QLED version, which in my opinion is the option anyone should go for. I will leave the price for the cheaper version in the description as well. When it comes to ergonomic chairs, there's a reason why this is one of the most populars out there. This is the Heiken chair, made out of mesh, very comfortable and good looking. It could be compared to an expensive chair, but at a budget price of just $200 on Amazon. Check the link in the description below. Next, we have the Logitech MX Keys keyboard that matches my Space Gray MacBook Pro and ties the whole setup together. This keyboard at this moment goes for $115 on Amazon, link in the description. To pair this keyboard, we have a Logitech MX Masters 2S mouse, which is going for $69 on Amazon. Link in the description. This mouse looks great paired up with the MX Keys keyboard, and they both work great simultaneously. Now for the sound system, this is a good sound system that looks very modern and sounds pretty good for the price. This sound system goes for $115 on Amazon right now. This is the Logitech Z407 2.1 surround system with a wireless control dial. I love the wireless control knob and the ease of use it provides. Also, it looks very amazing on this setup. Next is the CALDIGIT TS3 Plus dock, which works perfectly with my MacBook Pro. I did so much research when I was looking for a dock for my MacBook, so trust me when I say this is one of the best options for MacBooks. It even matches the color of the laptop. This is an amazing dock for regular laptops as well. I have all cables connected to this dock, and then one single cable goes onto my laptop. Right now this dock is going for $300 on Amazon, and there's even a 10% discount. Link in the description. Now this laptop stand is going for $20 on Amazon with a 5% discount at the moment. What I like about this stand is that I can fit two laptops in it, and it looks amazing on my setup. Next is the leather mouse pad. This mouse pad looks pretty good on my desk setup. I got this pad for $12 on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. Now we have an industrial looking lamp. I like the fact that the bulb is dimmable. This lamp goes well with everything else in the setup, and it goes for $37 on Amazon, and I have provided a link for you in the description. Next one is this interesting but not necessary laminated poster of a cat that I personally liked, and it goes very well with my setup. They have many options to choose from. I bought this one for $13 on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. Next, this is the Nanami wireless charger. I picked this one for how it looks, and it actually is pretty good. I paid $17 for it on Amazon. It charges my phone well, and it looks amazing on my setup. that is also a white version that looks pretty good. Link in the description. This next one is very interesting. I bought this coffee mug for my morning coffee. I love the way it looks, and if you see mine scuffed up, it's because I already broke it from the handle and I had to put it back together with the glue, but that was totally my fault. This mug has a lid that keeps the drinks warmer longer. It goes for $15 on Amazon and it looks amazing on my desk. Now this alarm clock is a very cool looking accessory to have in your setup. It also has alarm capabilities, but I don't really use that. I like how simple it looks on my desk, and also in person the color looks better. This clock goes for $15 on Amazon and I will leave the link in the description. Now this is something I really use and it benefits me in so many different ways. This is the Samsung T7 1TB portable drive. This drive can be used for MacBooks and other laptops. It is a good addition to make your laptop run faster. I saved most of my heavy files in there now and my MacBook is running smoother. This drive goes for $100 right now on Amazon, link in the description. Now I printed some rules that I have for when I trade stocks and I needed a frame for it. This is an 8.5 by 11 frame, so it looks amazing on my setup if you ever needed to print something out and hang it on your wall. Now this canvas art you see on the wall came in 3 pieces. This goes for $25 on Amazon right now and I really like the way they look in person and they make my setup look more cozy. Now this is something that I find necessary. This is a mini fan for my desk. I use this fan for when the dock station is getting hot for when I'm doing a lot of stuff or for when the laptops are getting hot themselves. It is very convenient and portable. It is wireless as well. Link in the description. Now this plant I got at Home Depot. I think it costs around $8, but if you can't go to Home Depot, I provided a link to a similar one on Amazon. In the description, of course. Now next one is my notebook journal. This notebook is my personal journal where I plan most of my YouTube videos and other things as well. It is very useful sometimes to write stuff by hand. For some reason, I get more productive time when I use this instead of typing on my computer. I got this on Amazon for $15 and I will leave the link in the description. As far as my laptop goes, if you were curious, I'm using a 2018 MacBook Pro and it holds up pretty well with this ultra-wide monitor. So what do you think about this setup? Is there anything you would add or change about it? I hope I was able to give you some ideas for your own desk setup. And if you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.